studying first year agriculture in Kadiri Babura College of Agriculture. Today I am going to discuss about common symptoms of plant viral diseases. Symptoms. Studying of symptoms is very important for identification of virus and naming of disease. Now let us discuss about some symptoms like chlorosis, necrosis, mosaic virus, inhalation, epinasty, stunted growth, tuber and nastic symptoms. Now let us discuss about in detail. First one, mosaic. Alternate green and yellow patches are seen in mosaic. Examples like pea stun disease caused by red chlorine mosaic virus, rice dark disease, pea stun disease, barley yellow dark disease, tobacco mosaic, cucumber mosaic. This is the symptom of cucumber mosaic in vegetable and in leaves. And the next symptom is yellow mosaic. Yellow mosaic plants develop more irregular yellow patches and green portion is very less and plants may be stunted. Examples like green yellow mosaic, barley yellow mosaic. And the next symptom is vein clearing. Vein clearing in the sense tissue close to veins are yellow and remaining portions is green. Examples of vein clearing are vein clearing of bending, Cora vein clearing, lettuce vein clearing. This is the symptom of Cora vein clearing. And the next symptom is vein banding. This is opposite to the vein clearing in which tissue along the vein green and tissue between the vein are chlorotic. Examples of vein banding are chili vein banding caused by tobacco H virus. And the next symptom is chlorosis. Chlorosis in the sense plant characterized by yellowing of leaves. You can observe yellowing of leaves due to lack of chlorophyll and chloroplast. Examples: wheat yellow leaf, potato yellow dark, barley yellow dark. And the next symptom is necrosis. In some cases, the vein may become necrotic and necrosis may spread to the stem and root apices and ultimately plant may be killed. And necrosis may occur on fruits and seeds also. Examples like tobacco necrosis, cucumber necrosis, capo necrosis, necrotic mosaic, tomato pith necrosis. This is the symptom of tomato pith necrosis. And the next symptom is proliferation. Rapid and repeated production, development of young cells, tissues or organs which grown beyond the original level. Example like apple proliferation. This is the symptom of apple proliferation which grows beyond their original limit. And the next symptom is inhalation. Hair-like growth appears on leaves and stems. Examples like pea inhalation mosaic, sugarcane feast disease, maize rough disease. This is the symptom of pea inhalation mosaic. And the next symptom is epinasty. Epinasty in the sense downward twisting of leaves. Examples like pea mosaic, potato super wild mosaic. This is the symptom of pea mosaic and this is the symptom of tomato mosaic. And the next symptom is ring spotting. On infected leaves, the symptom appears localized spots. These spots consist of various types of chlorosis and necrosis. Examples like papaya ring spot. This is the symptom of papaya ring spot. And the next symptom is stunting. Growth may be reduced evenly throughout the plant or stunting may be confined to certain parts or organs of plant. Root growth may be also stunted. Examples like rice dark disease, pea stun disease, barley yellow dark disease. And the next symptom is distortion. This symptom is characterized by alternation of symmetry of leaves arrangement, crinkling of edges of leaf rolling and leaf reset. Examples like bean common mosaic in Phaceolus vulgaris, tobacco mosaic virus in tomato, beet leaf curl, tobacco leaf curl. And the next symptom is tumors or grafts. Characterized tumor-like outgrowths are formed on leaves and roots. Wart growths are produced on lower surface of leaf and due to abnormal proliferation of underlying flora. Example of tumor is wound tumor virus. This is the symptom of wound tumor virus. And the next symptom is mastic symptom. Plants contain virus but symptomless under unfavorable conditions and show symptoms in favorable conditions. Masked virus showing phenomena of masking. Examples of masked virus are cauliflower mosaic virus at greater than 24 degrees. And let us discuss some important MCQs about this topic. Which symptom is commonly associated with plant viral diseases? Yellowing or chlorosis. What is the typical leaf symptom of plant viral disease? Sudden leaf drop. Which of the following is the common symptoms of plant viral diseases? Mosaic. What is the common effect of plant viral diseases on plant growth? Stunted or reduced growth. Which is the symptom may appears on fruits or vegetable infected with plant virus? Ring spot. Which is the common symptom of plant viral diseases on plant stem? Necrosis. Alternate green and yellow patches are seen in mosaic. Pea stem disease caused by red claw green mosaic virus. More irregular yellow patches than green portion are seen in yellow mosaic. Which of the following is the example of yellow mosaic virus? Barley yellow mosaic. Plant characterized by yellowing of leaves due to lack of chlorophyll and breakdown of chloroplast is seen in chlorosis. The example of chlorosis: potato yellow dye. Tissue close to vein, remaining area is green, is seen in vein clearing. Which of the following is the example of vein clearing? Ochre vein clearing. Tissue along the vein green, tissue between the vein chlorotic is seen in vein banding. Veins may become necrotic and the necrosis may spread to the stem and root apices and ultimately the plant may be killed. Necrosis may occur on fruits and also seen in necrosis. Brown spots are more than the yellow and green spots are seen in necrosis. Hair-like growth, outgrowth appears on leaves and stems are seen in annation. Symmetry of leaf arrangement, crinkling of edges of leaf rolling and leaf resetting are seen in distortion. Virus showing phenomena of masking virus. Rapid and repeated production, development of young cells, tissues or organs which grown beyond their original limits are seen in proliferation. Characterized tumor-like outgrowth which are found on leaves and roots. Outgrowths are produced on lower surface of leaves due to abnormal proliferation. The underlying phloem tissues are seen in tumor. Downward twisting of leaves are the symptom of annation. Growth may be reduced evenly throughout the plant or stunting may be confined to certain parts or organs of plants. Root growth may also be stunted is the symptom of stunted plants. Stunted growth.